Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Victorinox dual knife compact sharpener. I was looking for a sharpener for my knives. I know there's a lot of them out there. I came across this one. This is $13 for this one from Victorinox. So let's go ahead, let's unpackage it, and let's see how well it actually works. So let's talk about what I do know about this Victorinox dual knife compact sharpener. Now it doesn't come with too many instructions or too many specs. It does have a overall length of 5.8 inches. Model number VN43323. It does have a really nice clip here. It is made in Germany as well. It does come with a little bit of instructions back here. It does show you how to place your knife blade at 20 degrees. That you can also sharpen fish hooks as well. It does, when you do open this, you are going to see a V-shaped ceramic blade sharpener. This right here, this stone here, is not really rough at all. It's pretty smooth. Now it is going to have a groove here in the middle, and this is going to be for fish hooks or any other kind of little tiny objects that you might want to put a little edge on. And right here at the end, it is also going to have an indentation. I imagine this is for like maybe a smaller knife if you want to give it like a really fine edge. That's basically it on this ceramic sharpener and stone as well. So you do have a V-shaped ceramic sharpener here to tune your knives, and you are going to have a stone, and this stone is going to have the same smoothness on both sides. Okay everyone, I'd like to thank everyone for checking out this video today. I am going to have the link in the description for this Victorinox dual knife compact sharpener. I think it'll make a great EDC. I'm going to be carrying it for a while. I'm going to be checking it out, seeing how it performs, and I will give you guys an update. Like I said, just barely unpackaged it. I've had it for a while, haven't opened it up. It only cost $13. I said might as well check it out. I know there's a couple of other ones out there that are pretty cool as well, but I wanted to try something a little different, so I ended up getting this. I like this, that it does have this clip here. It's like almost like a pin. You can clip it anywhere, take it with you, and if you need to sharpen anything, you're ready to go. So this is pretty neat. Like I said, I am going to be leaving the link in the description. This is made in Germany. Victorinox is a pretty good brand. And knives, I am going to be leaving in the description as well everything I used in this video. Please everyone do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Please also everyone check out my Amazon store. It doesn't cost anything to you guys. Just go over there, get whatever you're going to get, and it helps me out in a small little increment amount, and I do appreciate everybody that's gone over there and done that. Please everyone give this video a thumbs up as well. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.